there's all types of problems out there. You don't have to even get into the details to understand that the aircraft that we see here, they represent an air-in-air conflict. Am I right? It was good versus evil. To get into the slogan, to get into these policies, today it's still good versus evil. And my friends, we want to be on the side of evil, right? That's what it's all about here in America with our allies. We're not glorifying war here today. What we're trying to say is stand up and remember what we were fighting. And I believe still that this is the truth. That America is still truly that shining beacon on the hill.
Here's an H-Mile. He said that 1% of our population has chosen to become the guardians of Learn from the history of our fight for our very existence between 1940 and 1945. The history lives on, and the pilots who fly these warbirds matter. They don't do it for fun. That's fine. But they do it as custodians of these symbols of the fight for freedom and liberty worldwide.
Well, those words are very true, and I would just echo that. You see the Mustang there. I can tell you, that P-51 Mustang is a ridiculously expensive aircraft.
And the Korean War veterans, and take them at no charge to Washington, D.C. to visit the monuments that have been set up for them in their honor. And along with each veteran is a guardian, and I got a chance to be a guardian once. And I'm a kind of guy that likes to wear a collared shirt. And they had the t-shirts for one of the I would rather wear a collared shirt. He said, no, take a look. And I looked at the back, and this is what it said. Thank the teacher. And below that it said, thank you, motherfucker.
It works. This is your family. Let's see a show of hands here. To your kids, to the young folks in your life, they know that story. What I would encourage you to do is go home and tell them to them. Maybe your grandfather was on a Dauntless or a T6. Maybe your grandmother built the B-29. Now taking off in trail, and then you receive some of the heavy metal. World War II. T6. And behind it, another SNJ. On the runway closest to us, you'll hear the rumble of the mighty engines of yesterday's big Pratt Whitney, Curtis Rock. That's what this is really about.
Our way of life in World War II was threatened. The Imperial, Japanese, and the Nazi Germany trying to take over the world, oppressive, and yet see right there, my old grandfather used to fly these. There's the back seat, that's the Dauntless. He was a Marine. Hey, Arthur. A groundhog back Arthur. This is the Midway, Coral Sea, and other hot spots in World War II. We love that airplane. Now there's the Mustang, Rob. You've seen that a time or two, haven't you? Oh, I have indeed. And 15,000 Wildcat, and it's got its nose up here to stand down because the pilot literally has to take his right hand off the stick, fly the left hand, and crank that gear up by hand. participated in the war effort, building the planes, the tanks,